students, from exercise 59 we have learned last day up to sum number 3. So today we will do sum number 5. Okay. So sum number 5, the question says that find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is this much and breadth is this much. So perimeter of rectangle, there is a formula which I have discussed in the first day. So the formula is perimeter is equals to 2 multiplied with length plus breadth. Okay. So the length plus breadth part should be in bracket. So you have to first calculate this, then you multiply 2 with that. Clear? So we are going to find out the perimeter. So perimeter, the formula we know that 2 into length plus breadth. You can write small l or capital L, not a problem. Okay. So then 2 multiplied with, what is the length? This is 28 centimeter. So we will write 28 plus breadth is how much? 19 centimeter. So 19. So the whole thing is in centimeter. Okay. So if you add them up, 28 and 19, that gives us 47. So we have 2 multiplied with 47 centimeter. So if you multiply, so we have 94 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of our rectangle. Okay. So we will use the same thing for all the formulas to find out the perimeter of rectangle. Okay. So now the next one we have is perimeter of a square. Okay. So for square, what happens is we add all the perimeters, all the sides. So if this is a square, we will add all the 4 sides. Okay. So that means we will simply multiply 4 into side. So if we know the value of one side of the square, we will multiply 4 with it and we will get the perimeter. So here see sum number 6. The question says find the perimeter of a square, each of whose sides is this much. So one side is given, we are doing sum number 6 B. So one side is given, so our perimeter will be 4 multiplied with side. So this is our formula. Okay. So that is 4 multiplied with, which is our side given? Our side is given as 11 meter 25 centimeter. So this is our side. So now if you multiply this part, see. So if you multiply 4 with this, so 5 into 4 20, carry 2, then 4 to 8 plus 2 10, then carry 1. Now 4 1 4 plus 1 5, 4 1 4. So what we are getting? 45 is in meter and in centimeter part we have 0 0. So that means nothing in centimeter part. So we will only write 45 meter. So we will simply multiply 4 with the side to get the perimeter of a square. Now next we have sum number 7. So the question says that the side of a square long is 24 meter. So this is a problem sum. We will write the statement. Okay. So side of a square long is how much? It is given as 24 meter. So meter we can write it as m. Okay. Next it says find the length of the fence around it. So you have to understand what is the meaning of fence. So if this is a square lawn, fencing means bordering the outside part. So just like a house is always bordered with a wall. So there are walls in the 4 sides of the house. Okay. So similarly, if we will have fencing means we will do something like this. So there is a partition here. So there is another one here. So in this way, fencing means covering the 4 sides of the square lawn. Okay. So that means what? We are concerned about the 4 outside part of the boundary. So that means we have to find out the perimeter. Okay. So basically, fencing means perimeter. So length of the fence. So length of the fence means length of perimeter. So length of fence, or we can write it as perimeter. So what is the formula for perimeter? The formula is 4 multiplied with side. So that means for square 4 into side. So side is how much? 24 meter. So 4 into 24. So that is 96 meter. So that means the answer is the length of fence of the square lawn. So this is the length of fence for square lawn. So length of fence for the square lawn is 96 meter. Next we have sum number 8. The question says the length and breadth of a rectangular park are 96 meter and 74 meter. So the first thing given is length. So length of rectangular park, that is equals to 96 meter. Then the next one is breadth of rectangular park. So breadth is equals to 74 meter. So look at the question. It says that 96 meters and 74 meters respectively. So whenever the respectively term is given, it means that the length is the first thing given. So length will be equals to the first number, that is 96. Then next we have breadth. So breadth will be equals to the next one, that is 74. Respectively means the first data will be the length and second value will be the breadth. Okay. Then it says a boy runs 2 times around the park. So around the park means what? If this is a rectangular park, then the outside part a boy is running 2 times. Okay. And then it says find the distance covered by him. Okay. So that means if the boy starts from here, the first day when I was explaining the perimeter part, I have mentioned that if someone starts from here, he runs in this way, then again he runs here, then here, and then he stops here. So that means what? He had covered the outside part, the total outside boundary, that is our perimeter. But in this one, the boy didn't stop here. He ran for the whole boundary once and then again for the whole boundary second time. Okay, so that means we have to first find out the perimeter, the outside boundary. So therefore perimeter equals to, we will apply the formula for perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 multiplied with length plus breadth. So that is 2 multiplied with length is 96 and breadth is 74. So the whole thing is in meter. Okay. So that is 96 plus 74 is 170. So if you multiply 2 into 170, so that gives us 340 meter. So this is the total value of the perimeter, but the boy runs 2 times. So that means whatever the perimeter is, he is running the perimeter total 2 times. So we will multiply a 2 with this number, with this perimeter. So we will get the total distance travelled by the boy. Okay. So therefore distance covered by the boy. So we can write the statement like this: distance covered by the boy. So the distance is equals to how much? 2 times he is running through the overall perimeter. So 2 multiplied with 340. So if you multiply 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 3, 6. So that is giving us 680 meter. So what was the question? The question was given, find the distance covered by him. So we will write the answer as the distance covered by him is 680 meter. So that is all for today's students. The remaining sums will be your homework.